Octopuses are basically liquid aliens. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and escape aquariums like it's a prison break. One even unscrewed a drain, squeezed through a pipe, and casually escaped back to the ocean. These creatures have 9 brains, 3 hearts, and blue blood. They can change the color and texture of their skin instantly to blend into their surroundings. And get this, when they're bored, they throw stuff at other fish. Literally, they're intelligent, emotional, and possibly smarter than your last date. Honestly, if octopuses ever grow legs and walk on land, we're all done for.